Hello YouTube, Chachi back, and today's video is about how we're gonna fix Wi-Fi symbol not showing on the setting of Windows 10. So if your computer is missing the Wi-Fi adapter, this video will be helpful and we will recommend you different options. So we will see 6 different options to solve this problem. Stay tuned until the end of the video, and if you have any comments you can give me at the end of the video, or you can comment me on the comment box. And if it is helpful, give me thumb up, subscribe my channel. Let's go to the video. Okay, so the first solution, if you are facing Wi-Fi not showing on your computer, is enabling the Wi-Fi button or key on your computer. Some computers may have a button or computer keys that will help you to open the Wi-Fi. Here are some computer suggestions, like if your computer have F5 on the F5, or it may be on F2 or different sections, you will have a Wi-Fi symbol like this. So if you have that, you can click Fn plus F5 at the same time and it will turn on your Wi-Fi adapter. Or in the other side, you may have this kind of computer which is turning on or off the Wi-Fi adapter. So you should have to turn on or off under your computer in order to start using a wireless connection on your computer. So the first solution is about turning or enabling the Wi-Fi button or key on your computer, based on your computer. It may be HP or Lenovo or different computers. They may have different way of turning on the Wi-Fi. The second solution for today's video is changing adapter setting. So change the adapter setting is by opening the control panel of your computer, which is here, control panel. So after you open the control panel, go to network and internet, and on network and internet you will find network and sharing center. So when you open network and sharing center, you will have change adapter setting. So under change adapter setting, here you will find Wi-Fi, right? You can see Wi-Fi here. So right click on it and enable. As you can see, my Wi-Fi adapter is already enabled, but if it's not working, it says here enable. So but if I click this disable, it will disable the connection. So you can click here, you can find the enable, and you can enable your I can show you simply disable. When I say disable, as you can see it's disabled. So I will change it to enable, so it will enable the Wi-Fi adapter of your computer. So the second option is changing the adapter setting by opening the control panel and network sharing center and change the adapter setting. The third solution for this video is enabling WLAN auto configure service. Maybe if WLAN auto configure service is not enabled, it may not provide you the Wi-Fi on your settings. So you should have to type on the search box, write service. So here we have the service. Here we have the service on your computer, and you will go to the WLAN. So we will search WLAN on our computer. Here we find WLAN auto config. So right click on it and go to properties. Check its startup type. Its startup type should have to be automatic. So if it is automatic, you can leave it back. But if it is not, select automatic, then apply, then say OK, and restart the service. Click the restart. So it will restart and it will start as automatic, as you can see here. So you can check your wireless connection is working or not. If it's working, then we have another option, the fourth option, which is update Wi-Fi driver, which is updating the Wi-Fi driver. So to find the Wi-Fi driver, you should have to go to the device manager. Here, device manager. So open the device manager and go to the network adapter and click here, network adapter. Here I have a Realtek adapter, which is a Realtek internet adapter. So click on it and right click on it, then select update driver. Then you can search automatically for driver by clicking here, or you can browse from your computer and you can select, let me pick from the list available drivers on my computer. Then after you select, you can select different drivers, then you can click next, then it will update your driver into your computer. Click next, then finish the process. Then finally it will update and it will show you the Wi-Fi adapter. If it's not working, if it's still missing, then we will have another final, the fifth option, which is uninstall and reinstall Wi-Fi driver. Uninstall and reinstall. On this scenario, we will go to again the device manager. And on the device manager, we will go to the network adapter. Then we select here the Realtek adapter and we will select uninstall device. Then we will find here the uninstall device pop-up. So warning, you are about to uninstall this device from your system. And don't forget, you should not have to check this one. It should have to be like this. If you check this box, it will completely remove the adapter. So we will leave it as it is and we click uninstall. Then it will remove the adapter. Then after you remove the adapter, you should have to reinstall it. So in order to reinstall it, you will click here, scan for hardware changes. So it will search an adapter or Wi-Fi adapter and it will reinstall to your computer once again. Then you can check your Wi-Fi. If it is missing again, the final option for this video is opening system configuration, which is right here, system configuration. Yes, here I found the system configuration. On the system configuration, here we have service option. So click the service, then check whether every boxes are checked, which is, as you can see here, disable all, because everything is checked. If you uncheck this one, it will give you enable all. So select enable all, then apply, then select OK. Then you should have to restart your computer and check your, you should have to restart. For this video, I'm not going to restart it. I'll restart it later. So restart it and check if Wi-Fi is available on your computer on the setting section. So try to use the 6 solutions. I know it will help you. If it is not helpful, or if you have any comments and suggestion, give me a comments on the comment section. Subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. Chachi is out.